Bonjour, hello, comment ça va? How are you? This is Pavani. In last class, we learned greetings in French. In this lesson, you are going to learn colors in French. Let's begin the class. The colors we say in French, les couleurs, les couleurs. The first color is red. Red we say in French, rouge, rouge. Next color is blue. We say in French bleu, bleu. Yellow. Yellow we say in French jaune, jaune. Next white. White we say in French bleu, bleu. Next one is black. Black we say in French noir, noir. Next color is green. Green we say in French vert, vert. Next color is orange. Orange we say in French rose, rose. Next color is pink. Pink we say in French rose, rose. Keep learning and keep watching. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon. In the next video, you will learn subject pronouns. Until then, au revoir.